Hello everybody, this is Mr. Dale Campo. Happy Thursday or Friday, whenever you're watching this video. In this video, we are going to go over the things that we went over on Zoom. So if you were there for the full Zoom lesson, you can skip this video. Or if you still feel like you want to review what happened today on Zoom, feel free to just watch. Here we go. So today, we went through an activity called School Fundraisers. School Fundraisers. In fact, that is the name of the assignment on Google Classroom. And in School Fundraisers, one of the words that we learned today was the word rate. Now, so that means we're in a new unit. We're done with ratios, but a rate is actually a special type of ratio. So a rate is a type of ratio that compares two different units. And we'll talk about what those two different units mean. So here's a sentence using the word rate. For humans, a normal resting heart rate is anywhere from 60 beats per minute to 100 beats per minute. Okay, so that is heart rate. And in California, what is the rate that drivers can drive near a school? Well, the answer to that is the rate that drivers can drive is 25 miles per hour or less. So if you go over 25 miles per hour, you can get a ticket for going over the speed limit or the speed rates. Okay. Now, the cool thing, so we just said a rate is a special type of ratio, and that is a really good thing for us because we can do rate problems like we do ratio problems. This is really good news for you all because, you know, you've been learning about tables the past few weeks. You've been learning how to do tape diagrams the past few weeks. And we've also been using things like multiplication, division, and addition. And those strategies are still really good for doing rate problems. And this whole fundraiser activity has rate problems, okay? So, we'll skip that one. That's another video that we had in class. So let's go over the activity that we had to do. So this is page 6, but you'll notice that page 6 is locked. So you won't be able to get back to it, but it's good to know what these problems are about. So page 6 says, the 6th graders at Viz Valley Middle School are planning a class trip to Sacramento. They need to raise enough money for all 96 graders to travel. So they have a lot of work to do. So you can imagine the school trying to raise some money to go to a field trip. The class officers have collected the data below about different kinds of fundraisers. They want your help with choosing a fundraiser activity. And if looking at this table below, you see 4 different rates. A rate for car washes, a rate for cookie sales, a rate for yard work, and a rate for recycling. Now, for during class, students started working on pages 7 and 8 and maybe 9. And in fact, the asynchronous work is to finish pages 7 and 8. 9 is an optional. 9 is an optional kind of problem. So it's a special challenge problem that people can try, but it is not a required problem. So 7 and 8 and 9 both explore different rates. And in the next video that I'm going to make, I'm going to talk more about some of these strategies that can help you. So if you need tips on 7 and 8, wait for the next video. All right, that's it. That's what happened in class today. Thank you for watching.